Now over here we are going to install the Nmap in our Kali as well. Now for that again we need to update, that is sudo apt-get update and hit enter. So it's asking for password, so give the right password, so it will start updating the packages and the libraries in your Kali as well. So when we are good with the updation, we will start installing the Nmap in our Kali. So just wait for a few minutes. So we are done with the updation. Let's clear the screen and check, download the Nmap, that is sudo apt install nmap and hit enter. Okay, so it's asking for that whether after this operation you will have an additional disk space used, that is 67.6 kilobyte. So just give an answer y, that is yes, and again press enter and it will start installing the nmap. Now we are done with the installation of Nmap as well in our Kali. Let's check whether what version it is at. So you can simply type nmap hyphen version and hit enter. So over here you can see we have Nmap version that is 7.94. Okay, so let's check whether what flags we can have and what we can use in this nmap, that is nmap hyphen h, that is help. And over here there are n number of lists which has been displayed about nmap usage. Now let's try for the basic scan, that is it's given, that is scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so let's type nmap scanme.nmap.org and hit enter. It will take some time because it's starting to scan the network or the organization, that is scanme.nmap. So just let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, so here we have an output in which you can see that we have 4 ports open and its services has been given in front of that ports. Okay, so this is the Nmap installation. Thank you so much. We will see the next part.